everyone. Look at the guys, a beautiful weather. Look at the beautiful flower around here. Finally, nagbuka na po ang ating bulaklak. Ayan na po guys, so ang ganda oh. Grabe, last week, yeah. Sa last vlog. Ano pala sila, busel pa lang. Ngayon na open na oh. Guys, ang ganda ng weather guys. Oh, look at that beautiful sky. Beautiful. Look at it. Trees growing guys. The leaves growing. It's busy road guys. Busy road. As you can see, busy road. Look at that beautiful flower. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Dito na lang tayo magbulaklak. Sure wala tayong matatanggap na bulaklak guys. It's okay guys. Kahit wala tayong bulaklak, important is healthy tayo. Yeah. Healthy tayo. Important is healthy. Ang ganda oh. Purple, red, pink, yellow. Ayun, oh, may hangin. Go hangin. Go. That's downtown. Downtown over there. Oh, ang ganda ah. Ganda ng petal. Ganda ng petal guys. Look at that. Look at here. And look at me. And look at me over there. Look at there. This busy road. Diba? Ang ganda magpa-araw. Ayun ang bag ko. Iniwan ko doon. Hola. Ang ganda magpa-araw. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi siya malamig. Tignan nyo, naka-jacket pa na, naka-asphalt pa tayo. Alright, look at that. It's busy road. Tomorrow is a Mother's Day. Hi everyone, another day on the vlog. Hi, spring finally here guys. Ayun. Thank you for watching. Dito na lang tayo mag-flower pag Mother's Day. Dito lang tayo. Alright. Purple, orange, yellow, pink.